Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to enable or disable theater mode on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Let's get started, but firstly don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So first, what is the theater mode? This mode is almost the same what do not disturb mode. This is especially useful when you need to stay quiet and doesn't disturb other people who are with you in the cinema or theater. Now let me show you how to manage it. So, as a first step, wake up your watch and swipe down to open the control panel. After this, swipe 2 times left until you will see this cinema icon right here. Click on it and the theater mode settings will open. As you can see, here's a thing turned on now, so you can turn it on or turn it off right here by clicking on this slider. And also you can select the duration for 1, 2, 3 or 4 hours. And after this it will turn off automatically. Right here at the down of the page you can see what the theater mode does. It's turning off always on display, raise wrist to wake, touch screen to wake, system sounds, alarm sounds and timer sounds. So no people will be disturbed by your watch accidentally. And that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.